Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Ulti token or Ultiverse on Binance Alpha. As you know, Ultiverse just get listed on Binance, and if you want to buy it, you can just open your Binance apps and you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search Ulti, search it, and there is Ulti on Binance Alpha. You can click it, and this is the chart. If you want to see the details, you can click info in the top here. You will see the 24-hour volume and the 24-hour high and low. Also, you can also see the audit here in the top. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click the right here in the bottom. And you can just limit order or instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.